Hi, I'm David Marcus from Combo. Welcome to my video blogs where we talk about IT infrastructure. The particular focus I'd like to bring to that today is on backup. When your backup isn't working and your computers fail, it will impede your business. It will stop your business dead until you can get systems back up and running with your business data on them. If you have important systems in your business that are backed up by computers and software and access to information, you need to have not just a backup that is a copy of your systems or a replication, but you need to have multiple versions of your systems and your data that give you recovery points. Those recovery points, those bits of replicated information, need to be taken off-site. Now, in simple terms, you need to make a copy of your stuff and take it home with you, or somehow send it off-site. Today, the modern solution is to use the internet to upload that information to another server somewhere else that stores multiple versions of your systems so that you can go back a day, a week, a month and recover a file or the whole system. Big business has been doing this for years. They've had their bunkers off-site where they replicate their systems, and in a critical event they can use those bunkers to run the business for a number of days until they restore the primary site. In small business, we can't afford to do that. We have to find cheaper, cost-effective ways to get a reasonable recovery point in terms of the time from when we last saved the data to when we lose the data, and in terms of the time it takes from when our systems fail to when we get a copy of that data back onto something else. In the industry we talk about RPO and RTO, but that's not important. What's important is that you as a business owner know where your replicated data is and that it's multiple versions, so that if your current version's corrupted, you can go back in time to a version that wasn't corrupted. You then have security that if everything goes wrong inside your business because of floods or fires or technical failures or electricity spikes or any of those things that can go wrong and do somewhere in the world every day, that your business can be brought back up from the copy that you have off-site, and if the current copy's corrupt, you've got yesterday's or something earlier. I can't stress enough that believing you have a backup without knowing you have a backup is the most dangerous position to be in. If somebody's telling you that there's a copy of your data off-site but you don't know it for sure, please check that it's really working. Get an independent person to review it and make sure that you really have the backup you believe you have, because I can tell you, in the businesses we go into every day, we are seeing that people do not have the backup they believe they have, and it really can be critical to your business. Recently we saw Distribute IT disappear because they didn't have a backup that they could recover from in a reasonable time. Please don't be the next victim. Thanks for listening today. My name's David Marcus from Combo, where IT is about growth.